been 3 months now my wife died. So I want us to plan for our wedding.
I just have to think about the whole thing.
Think about what?
I need to think it through.
You're the one who needed this thing so badly, so why waiting?
Listen, you need to at least mourn your wife for like a year. I mean, what would people say? Barely 3 months your wife died, you already got into another marriage. I mean, who does that? This is definitely going to raise eyebrow. I don't want to be part of this. I don't know about you, but I certainly do not want to be part of this.
I do not care to know what people think.
Oh.
Okay? I don't just care. It's our life, not theirs. Okay? So don't give me that crap.
I cannot indulge in such. I just told you right now, I need time. I need time to think this whole thing. I mean, think about it. It's my life. I'm involved. What are you saying? I mean, this whole thing, I mean, the whole arrangement is just, it's just not cool for me. I'm not comfortable about it. So give me time.
Babe, are you serious?
You heard me. You heard me loud and clear. I need time. Excuse me.
Rosie, do not walk out on me. Rosie, come back here.
Everywhere. Them they busy, they look for whom they go break him home. Oh. Beware, agents of darkness everywhere. Them they busy, they look for whom they go break him home. Oh. With their sweet mouth, they will draw you to themselves. Oh.
I've been looking for you. Someone was knocking at the gate, so I went there. Some people are waiting for you there. They said they are here to see you. I don't know them, I don't know them, but they say they are looking for Uzamaka. You know, you're the only one who's actually knows Uzamaka. They are at the gate, they are waiting for you. I want to pull sister.
Could it be Chief? Who knows what he's up to this time around? He's always full of surprises.
My dear, there's a problem. I'm in a serious mess right now and you're the only one that can advise me.
Rose, what is it? Calm down. Keo.
He's pushing this marriage thing too fast. I mean, he wants it like right now. I'm not ready for that. He's making me scared.
Rose. He's pushing this marriage thing too. Is that not what you want?
Wanted though. That was what I wanted. But now he wants it like right now.
But you're not the one that said he's the best man in the world. He's Rose. What do you want?
Anthony and I are back.
Yes. Rose.
We're back now. We have fixed things.
How could you? How could you accept him back after everything he has put you through, Rose? This guy doesn't deserve you. He doesn't. Are you forgetting so soon? He's only here to cause you pain, heartbreak and agony like he did before. And when that happens, don't run to me for advice because I'm not going to give that to you.
My dear, you don't understand. Anthony has changed. He's a changed person now.
A chameleon, you mean? A chameleon can change its color, but a leopard can never change its spots. Rose, can't you see? Can't you see, my friend, that this guy doesn't deserve you? He doesn't. You're a good person, and you should be with a good person too. Anthony is wicked.
I don't know.
My advice to you is to go back to your second man. Go back to him. Can't you see he loves you? Go to him. Go back to him.
Anyway, I bought you beverages while coming. It's in the car. Let me just get it. Meanwhile, tell me, how have you been coping with your co-wife? How is your husband? I'm here.
Oh, hello.
Uzamaka. Yes. I have a message from Chief Benjamin's wife.
Because I won't let you get away with this. You made me killed my beloved wife. And you want to get away with this. It won't happen. I am going to make you feel the pain that I felt. We are together in this. You are not going anywhere. We are going to suffer it together. I will make you feel the pain that I felt. You are not going anywhere.
By free of charge.
It's my husband's house.
Okay. Come and enter.
Leave the road. Anna, leave the road. Come on. Leave the road.
Go back to your white cotton business. Okay. That is where you belong. Go back there and continue your business.
I'm not going anywhere.
You don't belong in my house. I will kill you. I will kill you.
We die here, Anna.
We die here. All right.
I'm not going. Anna, leave me alone. Anna,
where's her back? Where's her back? Give me her back. Take her back. Emma, let's come back to my house. Come here again.
Come now.
Come back here again. You silly. Are you a free Wi-Fi? Even if you're a free Wi-Fi, I go to hotel and collect it free of charge.
Sorry.
Can you imagine? You silly.
No.
Come here again. Come here again, I'll kill you. Nonsense girl. Can you imagine? If you come back here again, you die in my house.
Honey Mosuku.
Nonsense.
Ijike.
Can you imagine?
Sit down.
Eh?
Ibalibo.
Is marriage by force?
Janet, go!
Janet! Anywhere you are now, fall down and die.
Amen.
Fall down and die.
Fall down and die.
Enter inside your white cotton.
Fall down and die.
You are doing your white cotton business. Go back there, that is where you belong.
Honey,
You silly.
take tea.
See, Oku. What will be na Oku? Eh? You want to kill me fast?
No, sorry.
You want to kill me faster than Janet?
No.
Huh? Go and get me cold water. Let me danquet. Let me danquet.
Honey!
If you're not Pamike can never. Nonsense. Janet! Just open down your white curtain, enter inside, fall down and die. You silly. Nonsense, you want to come here to my house to force me to marry you. Are you a Wi-Fi? Are you a hotel? You're not a hotel, you're a chalet. Rubbish, you silly bugger. You know I will not marry you. Never!
I want us to talk.
I don't have that time. I'm very tired.
We had an agreement. Are you trying to back out? Why?
Back out how? I said I'm tired. I need to rest. Please.
We need to talk now.
Or what? If I refuse?
We had an agreement. Why are you trying to back out now?
What agreement? Oh, about you and I. The truth is that I am no longer sure about us.
What are you trying to do? You can't do to me. You can't leave me like that. I won't let you.
Or what? You'll kill me exactly the way you killed your wife? How do you explain her sudden death? How? You think I... Please excuse me.
It's not as easy as you think.
So where are you driving at? What are you trying to say? Try me. Ejike, try me and I will tell the world who you truly are. I will tell them how you killed your wife. Murderer. Please, out of my way.
Where is your integrity? One day go be one day, you go clear for your eyes. No say you know you're more. Say sweet things they kill. Oh.
Hey. Do you like it? This is delicious. Deli one. Hey. Hey. Nah. It's obvious to me that Janet used charm on me. See, let me tell you. There is no man with his right senses that will leave a woman like you and follow a woman like Janet. Look at access and gadgets. Eh? And I left it to follow Janet. See, let me tell you what I discovered. You don't know. Janet, she doesn't have breasts.
Honey, leave me alone. Eat your food.
That small one from there that I was even praising was foam. Braising the foam. All those braising that has foam. See, Janet, her breast is like this. What to call it here? If she has given birth to a child, for me, that child will die of hunger. Because we'll be coming to you to borrow breast. But that girl, God will punish her.
Honey, stop it. Eat your food. You know it's bad habit eating and talking. Eat your food. Janet has gone.
Well, you're having a problem and you're eating. You have to be talking. See, let me tell you. The worst is that what is paining me now is that she used that pregnancy to deceive me. Huh? She think that I will not find out.
That was because we were so desperate for a child. You did not wait. You did not have faith in God for God to give us our own child. You check Janet.
You see that girl?
Apona.
Janet, if you die, go to Okomo. If I see Janet to heaven, I'm not going to get no problem. Because I will personally drag Janet out from Okomo to heaven. In fact, northern part of the hellfire. You know that place, they say that place is so hot.
Honey, it's...
That's why I will take Janet. You see why I fear fair women? I fear fair women, especially those ones with the small breasts. Fair women, only one that with small breasts like this is a sister to Mama Water. No, I didn't say all the fair women. I said all those ones with small breasts.
So I'm not a monk.
No, you're not a monk. Can't you see what you carry? You are sister to Virgin Maria. Any fair woman with big breasts is a sister to Virgin Maria. The one that's small breasts, sister to Mama Water. Yes, that's why I fear them. Don't worry, let's eat and go inside. So that this afternoon, that's why I want you to give me a daughter. I don't want you to give me a son.
A fair one.
Fair daughter, so that you train her to have big breasts. Because if she has small breasts, Mama Water I don't bother. But when she has big breasts, Virgin Maria I don't bother. I don't want a baby boy. You know why? Come on, this breast is for me now. I don't want child now. I don't want a child now.
Honey,
can finish go the breast.
Here. This is a check of 5 million naira. I want you to take this, get out of my house and out of my life. Do you understand?
You can't buy me. We had an agreement.
What stupid agreement? What do you mean by that? I am offering you something you never gave me, and you still have the nerves to talk about agreement. What stupid agreement are you talking about?
Rosie, if I should go down, then you will go down with me.
Oh.
As an accomplice.
Oh, really?
Do you understand? If I can't have you, no one will.
Haven't you lost your mind already?
Know who you they relate with. Oh. Only God knows who be who for this world. Oh. I say beware, agents of darkness everywhere. Them they busy, they look for whom they go break him.
Honey, that reminds me. I'm going to have to go to city tomorrow. I got a call from the Ministry of Work saying that we should come tomorrow with our documents. Maybe the government have finally decided to pay.
Are you serious? Hey! This is good news. This is good news. See, no wonder. No wonder I was having this kind of sweet dreams. I saw myself in the dream counting money. Counting money. Money was everywhere. I said, what is this? Why am I feeling this way? Who am I feeling this sweet, this sweet, this sweet? No wonder. You see, let me tell you. In that case, I'm coming with you. I'm going with you to the city.
We don't have money for hotel. There is no money for hotel accommodation. And then you know Rose. You know how she used to do. It won't be wise the both of us staying there.
Yeah, no problem. Now, since they are going to pay us, let's lodge into a hotel. After, when they collect the money, we'll go and give the hotel people. Tell them to give us the room on credit.
And we'll tell them government is owing us.
Of course, government will pay.
Yourself. You will not follow me.
It's alright. Anyhow it is. Go. Go. When you come back, see, let me tell you, I have plans. I already have plans what we are going to use that money for. I have plan of starting block industry in this village. I already have a land. They clear me. Though that I have not seen money. We don't start block. Then open beer parlor in this village with gospel band.
Gospel band?
I'm sorry, live band. All these people that have live band. Bang. So that I have told Okonta that will be supplying me palm wine and bushmeat. So you see, I have plans.
Money has not even come. You stay making plans. Told Okonta. The money has not come. Wait until the money comes.
Don't you have faith? Don't you have faith? If you don't have the faith that the money will come, I do. Do you understand? I do that they will pay. That was why I had it in my dream now. It was this money. So that the people that brought that money, I saw a government car. I saw like something like a ministry of something.
Joseph the dreamer. Stop it.
It's alright. See, let me tell you. If it will be possible, you send government people, give them my card number.
For what?
So that if you go to your girlfriend's house, now, in fact, don't tell her. Don't tell her that why you are coming is for government people to give you money. Because I don't trust her. She can call a criminal to come and take it. Don't tell her what you are coming for. Tell her that you are coming to CV City.
She cannot do something like that.
She cannot do something like that? Why did you trust her so much?
She's my friend.
See, let me tell you, I have to give you my card number to give to the government. Let them send the money direct.
Nagini. Give government what?
Are you removing your leg?
Why won't I? Honey, I will go there, I will take the money, I will come back to you. Sean is give government your account.
Because if you want to get there now, your girlfriend will tell you there's this another hair. There's this another hair.
You that will go and carry another Jeanette and come here.
You're not removing your leg, giving me back.
Carry another Jeanette and come here.
You're not giving me back. You are giving me back. Okubanego, if you go near Okubanego. I will not be honey again. I will be in her. I will be in her. See, as you are giving me back now.
Only take it.
I should take back.
You will like it from the back.
I will like it from the back. This is afternoon. I don't like it from the back in the afternoon.
Like
in the night, you give it from the back. See, tell them, call government people. Call them. Call them. Let me give them.
Better think twice. Better think twice.
Oh, I'm so sorry I delayed. The guy pissed me off, so I had to change the lock.
Oh, I see. Very good. Very good. That's the best thing to do.
Yeah.
At least it's out of your house now. Alright. Now that the stumbling block is out of the way. Yes. It was the one blocking us, trying to... Anyways, it's out of the way. I'm not ready to lose you anymore. Yes, I almost lost you, and I'm not ready again to lose you. I'm ready to do anything to make you my wife, to be the mother of my children. I want to live for you. I want to make you the most happiest woman on earth. So please just say yes to me, make me happy. Tell me yes. Wait. I know. I'm not with ring here, and I'm not with ring here, definitely. At the same time, all I just want to hear from you is yes, I'm married.
Wait, let me ask a question.
Okay.
Is this coming from your heart, or are you just the usual Anthony I used to know?
Come on, from the depth of my heart. Yes, and listen to me. If you say yes to me, I'm going to shout.
No.
I'm going to go out there, scream, and let everybody know that yes, I have gotten back.
No, it hasn't gotten to that.
It has.
But the truth is, You know, right?
Just
Yes.
say.
Yeah.
Ooh. Alright, thank you very much.
Better think twice. Better think twice. Oh, you only better no one. Corona na loboya. Better think twice. Better think twice. Oh, anything where you saw, na him you go reap. Better think twice. Better think twice.
How dare Rose? Did she just lock me out? Rose cannot do away with me just like that. It's not possible. It cannot happen.
Where is your integrity? One day will be one day you go clear for your eyes. No say you don't hear a more. Say sweet things they kill. Iana totally be wise. Know what you are doing to avoid regret.
It can't happen. Not me. Rose cannot do this with me. Or they're not possible. Rose thinks she can just do it with me just like that. It won't happen. No.
Anything where you saw,
Never.
Think twice. Better think twice. Think twice. Better think twice.
No, you can't marry him. You can't.
How can't I marry Anthony? He's handsome, rich, hardworking, and he is a
Humanizer. Can't you see that this guy cannot be trusted? Rose, you have not come this far to settle for less. Think about it. Go to this other guy
who is now a widower. It may interest you to know that that man in question killed his wife. He murdered his wife just to marry me. What sort of a man is that? Does that not tell you that he's coming for my money? Eh? And when he eventually becomes rich, he might also decide to kill me and marry another woman.
No such thing will happen.
Who told you?
These are just mere suspicions, Rose. You have no concrete evidence about it. His wife is dead and gone. Yes, marry him. She's no more. Anthony, you're seeing
Ebere.
Eh?
Ebere.
Eh? Marry him.
Ebere.
Somebody that you're going to come home to. Look like Anthony.
Ebere Okede. Okede. Bo.
Anthony, just Anthony. Rose, please stop this thing.
Ebere.
Marry.
With a sweet mouth, they will draw you to themselves. Oh. If you give attention, they will lead you to destruction. Beware, know who you they relate with. Oh. Only God knows who be who for this world. Oh. I say beware, agents of darkness everywhere. Them they busy, they look for whom they go break.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, I'm fine, I'm alright.
Did you propose?
Yes, and guess what?
What?
She accepted me.
Smart guy. So what's your next move?
Yes, my next move is gonna be a different story entirely. Yeah, now I have to come up with. I have this serious client that just paid a huge amount of money into a separate account. But during the process of me trying to get hold of this money, the police and the Interpol, they got involved. And they arrested me. Now I'm going to let her understand I'm talking to her from jail in Malaysia. But at the same time, I will let her understand I have settled things. I just need some amount of money to block some things. Once I'm finally out, I'll have access to all my money.
Nice one, but do you think she'll buy the story?
Of course she's going to. Definitely, I'm going to need you. I need you to convince her that you know about a secret account with a huge amount of money. But the problem now is I can't even get hold of that money until I'm out of jail. So that will now make her release that money to me.
You see, this is why I love you, because you are so smart up there.
You can see
Consider
that.
it done, because I'm in.
For real?
I'm in.
For real? Give it 5. Give it 5. Give it 5. Give it 5.
How did you think about this?
Oh, don't worry. I'll do this later.
Damn! I'm so excited.
Let's get it right.
I missed you.
I missed you too.
My favorite song.
Give me.
Oh my god!
Hey, babe.
Oh, here.
So where exactly do you say we're going?
Yeah, baby. I want us to go shop for our wedding ring. Then when we're done, we'll go check out the invitation card if you're done with it.
You know, honey, you are full of surprises. I honestly cannot wait. I am so excited.
You can say that again. You know I'll do it.
I know. Let's go.
See, my guy, the land, that first one you showed me, that first land, I like it. That one is the perfect one, perfect land I want. It's in a good site. My block industry will enter there. But the second one is where I will do my beer party.
You see, that is why I marked out time. I clear my eye to select that one for you. I know you will like it.
See, I told you people that I'm a potential big man. All of you are underrating me in this village. Yeah? I know my enemies are my friends in this village. All my enemies, I'm going to squeeze them out. I'm going to deal with them. They will see. Haha.
Anna, this is you saying you squeeze your enemy's mouth. You're going to deal with them. Remember, I am your friend. I be your friend. Anna, please, what of the 20,000 naira you promised me? That I told you that I want to use to buy a clipper for my salon, my baby salon.
Oh, Kaka, you are insulting me. Eh? Are you silly? Eh? You are insulting me. What is 20,000? I told you that my money is too long. When my money comes here, eh? Oh God, nobody will call me Anna again. You call me Anna Enye. Because I will be giving people money. I will shock you, but I will start from your head. Will shock you like electric. Ha! Don't worry.
With money.
Hey. Yeah, blessing. Go. Get up there, you silly. Get those drinks. Feel everywhere. In fact, close this place. Nobody should come in again. I'm shutting this place down.
Hey! And you don't go.
What is you good?
I know you too well.
Go there and tell anybody that's passing to come and drink.
Abi?
Yes. Money is coming. Let them come and take life. Raman. Can you get, in fact, bring out the freezer outside.
Good afternoon, sir. Yep. Mr. Tony, right? Yeah, I'm Mr. Tony.
What's going on?
You're under arrest.
For what?
You're under arrest for a criminal attempt. You have every right to remain silent because whatever I say or do right now will be used against you in court of law. Now move.
Officer, what's the problem?
Relax.
Wait. Move. Honey, what's the problem?
I don't know.
No, listen, he's not a criminal.
You're under arrest for criminal offense. I say move. Alright.
Move. Honey.
Stop. Hey.
I say move.
Now move.
What is going on, honey?
Just call my lawyer.
Okay.
Call my lawyer. My friend, move. Before we force I say move. Hey, my friend, move. Don't come. My friend, move. Call my lawyer.
Can you please talk to me?
He's a criminal. Move.
Things shouldn't be done this way, at least.
call me just now?
Yes, I saw you in a taxi, so I followed you up to make sure that you're the one I saw.
Oh, it's true.
So, what are you doing here?
Remember my friend that stays in the city? She owns this house. She lives here. Yes.
Okay, I have to go now. The taxi is waiting for me outside.
Just like that?
Yes. Yes. The taxi is waiting for me.
Dikeh.
Bye.
Anthony has been arrested. How? Just this afternoon. I don't know why. I just don't know. Listen, I don't want anything to ruin my marriage. Please.
Rosie, calm down, okay?
Okay.
You know what? I will go there myself and sort this out.
Okay.
But you know, it's going to cost money.
Whatever it may cost, my dear, I'm ready to sort it out. I'm telling you, I don't want my chances of getting married to be ruined. Oh, no. Listen, and also, I don't want my man to sleep there. Please do whatever you can for me to bring him out.
Rosie, calm down. You know what?
Those police people sounded very serious. I don't even know what he must have done.
Calm down.
Okay.
Just go home.
Oh.
I will sort this out.
Please.
Go home and
I'm
rest.
sure counting on you. Please.
Drive well.
Oh my goodness. Oh my God. That's one chance I have to get married.
Better think twice. Better think twice.
I am in trouble. Oh. How did Ebere got to know Rosie? I'm finished. What a small world. Chai, what will I do now? Where would I run to? If I had known, I would have taken the check she gave me. By now, I must have run away. Rosie, it will not be well with you. I killed my own wife for your sake. Now you want to dump me? Oh, no. I am going to kill you. I am going to kill you.
What's that lady you've been telling me about?
Do you know him?
Yes, I do. That is Nneka's husband. My late sister.
Wait, are you serious? Are you damn serious?
No, this is not happening.
Oh my God.
Does that mean Dikeh killed Nneka, my sister? Dikeh killed Nneka. Hey! No.
Oh my goodness. This is not happening. I mean...
No.
That's my game player.
You can see her.
Hi. You're too smart.
So what's up? Did you see her?
Yes, I was with her, and she said she's willing to bring any amount required.
Boom! That is it. Wow.
Yes.
Good. Yes. Now we have to go to the next stage.
Okay.
Make believe. What you need to do now is go to her with some officers. Make her believe this is real. Tell her her boyfriend, her lover is going to jail if this money is not raised as soon as possible. Okay? I know her. I know she's rich. She's capable of raising this money.
So how much do I tell her?
Okay. Let's say 8 million. But if she can raise 7, 6, then the last 5. It's good.
Okay. Consider it done. I mean,
Right.
I miss you.
I miss you too. Come on.
Get going. Yeah, okay. Let me do this job for you.
too much?
It is. But what can we do? If you don't do something, you will go to jail.
Oh, goodness. Why would the enemies want to do this to me at this point? Why? Why now?
Listen, any amount you can come up with, just bring it.
Okay, maybe I'll just try and raise like 5 million naira. Maybe before the end of the month, I can try to, come up with something else.
Okay, I'll speak to the IP. Just bring it.
I don't have it now. Maybe tomorrow morning I have to go to the bank and make some transfer. It has to be tomorrow morning. Okay. Please. Hey. What kind of rubbish is this? Why would Anthony land himself into such trouble at this critical time?
Do not play hide and seek game. It is dangerous, for every day is for the thief. But one day is for the house owner. I don't talk alone, I don't tell you. So when you give me read, better think twice, Mali fair.
Officer, go round, check! Oh no, yeah! Officer, go and check now! Officer, break down this door! Let's go now, that is it!
Think twice.
Better think twice.
Better think twice. Better think twice. Anything where you saw, now him you go report.
Oh, officer, hit this scene very well. Hit this scene. This is how you supposed to make arrest. Etiko, open the door. Etiko, open the door. Officer, hit the door very well now. Hit it.
Calm down. You arrest him, don't worry.
Hold it, hit it. Oh, officer, go round now. Officer, go round. Officer, go round and go and check it. Officer, be going out now. Officer, be going out. It's very easy. I know he's inside. Officer, go out.
What kind of life is this? Why am I this unlucky? Why am I this unlucky when it comes to men? Does it mean that I'm not going to get married? Why? Anthony left me. Now Ejike came to show me love. Because of me, he killed his wife. I'm so afraid that he may kill me one day if he sees another woman that can give him money more than I do. That is why I had to change my mind and go back to Anthony. Now he is in the police cell. Oh my goodness. If I remove 8 million naira from my account, I'm going to go bankrupt. What do I do now?
Madam, that girl will be like fish. Maybe like fish. They come the other day. She does outside. She wants to
fish.
That girl will be like fish. Where they roast.
You're just a clown. Very stupid. Go and tell her I'm coming. Only somebody fish. You are rats.
What fish?
Yes, baby. Yes, we're going to do that. We'll get there.
I'm coming there.
Hi, Sarah. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm great. How is my baby?
He's not fine. They want to move him to prison.
To the prison?
Yes.
Please, which account am I supposed to pay the money?
My account, yes. My
Yours?
account, yes. Are we doing it right now?
Just give me a few minutes. I'll be right back.
Okay.
have my portion. If I bring the money back, then you give me back my bag. Please, I need it. It's very important to me. Okay, because I need the money urgently. Please help me.
AGK, I don't have that kind of money on me now. If you had told me earlier, I would have gotten a serious buyer for it.
Uncle, how long will it take to get a serious buyer?
It depends. It depends. You know, I have to go and look for the buyer and bring him to do the...
Uncle, I don't have that patience now. Please, I need this money as soon as possible. Uncle, please now.
Officer!
If you run, I'll blow off your head.
Biko. What is it?
What's going on here? What's this?
How can I go there, Ibo?
You are under arrest for the murder of Mrs. Nneka Igbanugo. Hey!
Oh, yeah, Bria. Oh, yeah, Abu, one them. He killed my sister.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. It's the handbook of devil.
Baby, I am tired. I've been waiting here for 2 hours and she's not out. I'm tired. I'm even hungry. If she's not going to work out, let me just go. I'm sorry, I am tired. Are you sure? Is there no way you can find your way out and put a call to her and tell her that the police officer will soon get you to prison? Just convince her.
I should keep waiting.
Okay. I love you too. Yes. We're going to get married. I love you. Bye.
You are such an amazing player, Sarah. Have you been here? As long as you can never imagine. Who are you loving over the phone? Now you stammer?
I was speaking to my boyfriend, yes. Rosie, you're not dressed?
No, I'm not.
Rosie, see, you have to dress up. Let's go and do this. They're going to take him to prison. I'm not going to lie to you. Anthony loves you and he wants to get married to you.
He wants to get married to me, or you rather. You think I'm a fool? You know, I was a fool until I heard your conversation with him over the phone. What do you take me for? I mean, what do you take me for? Even the police station, you claim that he's detained. I have put a call through. And there is no name like that. Why? Shut up. Why are you like this? I mean, what's the meaning of all this charade? Now you go back and tell your miserable schemer of a boyfriend, that two-timing bitch, tell him that I can never be fooled again. Never in this life. Now you take your miserable bag out of my abode and never return. Abu! Shh. If she stays here one more second, you're gone.
They're good.
Hey, don't even try it. I'll give you a death slap. It's yours.
Go.
I'm so sorry. It's the hard work of devil. I didn't know what came over me, so I'm so sorry for that. Please.
Only I can arrest this person out of here.
Wait.
Rubbish!
Wait! Take me.
Take him away!
Move him!
Take him away, Bria Naga! Rubbish!
Hey!
What's the meaning of that? Huh? No. What did you just say? What did I hear you just... No, simple task. You cannot even carry it out. And you're telling me rubbish.
Are you stupid? Anthony, what are you shouting out? Don't even try this again. Don't try this.
Huh? Alright. Now please leave. I said get out of this place. Leave.
How do you mean? No. You don't want to get married to me again.
Which marriage? No marriage. I'm not getting married to you. In the first place, there's no money. I was even thinking you get money out of this place, then we'll have money to get married.
Anthony, are you a madman? I did my part. How is this my fault? Listen, if you think you will use and dump me, you are joking. Listen, I will slaughter you. It's like you don't know me. Oh. I will deal with you. I will do that. What are you going to do?
Huh?
Yes.
Slaughter me?
Yes!
Anthony, what is this? Huh?
Do you think you can play this kind of game with me? Do I look like I'm any other person to you? What is delaying my money?
Okay. Sorry, we failed.
You failed meaning what? Do I look like a shy to you? Huh? Don't even think of playing this kind of game with me. Oh. Are you hearing me? Eh? Listen, you both will remain here until I get my money. That lady has called me. Even Oga at the top has called me. Do you know that my job is at risk? Let me see how both of you will live here. Go and get my money.
Hey! How did I get myself into this nonsense? How did you convince me to this?
Better think twice, oh.
Abu!
You better
open the gate!
Oh, no, boy. Better think twice. Better think twice, oh. Anything where you saw, now him you go repo. Better think twice. Better think twice, oh. You better know. Better think twice.
Hey, officer, come away! What is it? Get! Oh, something now. Hey! Officer, arrest her! Children, I said arrest her! Officer, if you are
Miss Rosie, you are under arrest.
for what?
For accomplice to murder.
What do you mean an accomplice? What more are you talking about? What evidence do you have? No, officer, I know my rights. Before I leave this place, I have to call my lawyer.
I don't have such time.
I know my rights.
Officers!
Listen, officer, let me talk my lawyer. I need to call my lawyer. I need to call my lawyer. Why do people want to call that? I know what I am saying.
One day go be one day, it go clear for your eyes. No say you know you're more, say sweet things they kill. Iana totally be wise, know what you are doing to avoid regret at last. Think twice. Better think twice. Think twice. Better think twice. Oh. You better know. Come on, boy. Better think twice. Better think twice. Better think twice. Oh. Anything where you saw, now him you go report. Think twice. Better think twice. Think twice. Better think twice. Oh. You better know. Better think twice. Better think twice. Oh. Anything where you saw, now him you go report. No let the devil deceive you. See them everywhere. Do not play hide and seek game. It is dangerous, for every day is for the thief. But one day is for the house owner. I don't talk alone, I don't tell you. So when you give me read, better think twice, Malifair. Better think twice, oh. Better think twice, oh. You better know, come on, boy. Think twice, better think twice. Better think twice, better think twice. Anything where you saw, now him you go report. Better think twice. Better think twice, oh. You better know. Better think twice. Better think twice, oh. Anything where you saw, now him you go report. think twice, oh.